Paige, have you ever been to Fenwick Inn in Ocean City?
You know, it's funny, I've never stayed myself, but that is my parents' longtime favorite place to go for I'm talking 20 plus years. They go to Fenwick Inn when they're in the area.
That's so cute.
They love it there.
Well, they definitely want to check it out because the whole place has been renovated.
Yes, and they haven't been since the renovations. They've only seen the outside, so we've been meaning to check it out.
Well, and they've got that gorgeous Vista rooftop restaurant area.
So fun.
How fun is that?
I know.
And I know it's been your parents' date night.
Yes.
It's still a great date night spot, especially on Mondays. That's when you can get 2 entrees and a bottle of wine. $80.
That's a deal.
Such a deal.
Yeah.
But to tell us more, our field correspondent Maya Henry is at the Fenwick Inn now. Maya?
Welcome to the Fenwick Inn, home to one of the most unique indoor pool areas in Ocean City. Jonathan Strickler, manager of the Fenwick Inn, says this newly renovated hotel has more than enough fun to go around.
The kids get to go have fun in the splash pad in the back, parents get to hang out in the hot tub or the pool, and then the kids do enjoy those 2 features as well, but it's a really cool spot.
That's only one of the cool features this hotel has to offer. Open every day from 3 to 11 p.m., the tropical vibes and view of Ocean City from the Vista rooftop restaurant will make you feel like you're in paradise.
Great views of the ocean, great views of the city. We have, in this room that we're currently standing in, great sunsets over the bay. We really do have 360 views of Ocean City up here.
For those who love to groove to a great rhythm, the Vista rooftop restaurant is your go-to spot, offering live entertainment daily to satisfy your musical appetite. But wait, there's more. If tantalizing taste are what you're after, happy hour is every day from 3 to 6 p.m. And Chef Robert Bedell's Culinary Creations will make your taste buds dance.
That was really good.
Awesome.
I love it. I think this one's my favorite.
Okay.
And this one because I'm a big vegetable freak.
Okay.
This is great.
So that I guess the healthy one will work out for you with all the veggies as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, but see how, like I
it.
said with that, it's not heavy, but it's it's there.
It's like a chip, like a soft, meaty chip. I can't really explain it, but it's really, really good. I love it.
And they work for our shareables motif. So if you come here, and we order this, you can have 3, I can have 2, we can kind of mix around a little bit. I wouldn't say tapas, but we're close.
So are these all appetizers or?
Yeah, this is an entree, and these are all apps.
But this can really fill you up, though.
For sure.
I love it.
And so we wanted to make it affordable for people, but still keep everything high end. You know what I mean? Like all the stuff we get here, we have seafood purveyors and fish purveyors, and everything comes from somebody different, and we make sure that it's fresh. And God bless, we're busy enough to make sure that we don't throw away a lot of stuff, and we keep good stuff coming in.
And I see why. It's delicious.
Thank you very much.
Craving more? You can receive Robert's half-price appetizers every Thursday. And at Fenwick Inn, fun is a 2-way street, and you can bring your own entertainment to the Fenwick Inn.
At birthday parties, family reunions, weddings. So we would say that we have a premier, meeting room space here for those events. It's a giant ballroom on the 8th floor that connects with the restaurant.
The Fenwick Inn made its mark in Ocean City in 1976, resulting in much-needed revamping. From drab to fab, the hotel rooms embrace a whole new look.
It pops. It was just crazy. Like the windows were foggy. It was darker colors like green and brown. So we just added blue, white, cleaned the windows, made it look really good from the curb appeal.
And you can melt your cares away in Fenwick Inn's King and Queen rooms. But if you're searching for a larger option, the hotel suites are the perfect alternative.
Just really we wanted to give a nice revival to it, make it feel really modern and bright and fun in the rooms. That's the best way to describe it. We really and outlets. We have plenty of outlets in the rooms because everybody has their electronics these days.
The hotel's new design allows for no restrictions to comfort. They've even included a special addition to their rooms that everyone can enjoy.
We're pet friendly, so we have LVT floors in the rooms. So we wanted to try and take away that musty smell that you get in rooms when they have carpet, especially on the beach.
And the ultimate goal of the Fenwick Inn?
Giving guests great experiences, just watching families come in, the smiles, the enjoyment they have here, and just how all the feedback we get of how we've done good things here with the renovation. It's just a nice thing to be a part of.
Looking for great vibes where comfort begins? There is no better place than the Fenwick Inn in Ocean City.
Oh my gosh, how amazing do those appetizers look?
I'm getting so hungry.
I'm a big apps girly. I really am.
Yeah. Oh, same.
And tonight is Tuesday, which is also their steak night. How delicious did that skirt steak look?
Do you have plans tonight? Now you do. Whoa, jinx. We did not even plan that. That was pretty cool. If you can't get there tonight, or maybe Tuesdays just don't work for you, Wednesdays, I don't know which deal is better. Get this, 25% off your check. What?
No brainer. Hello.
I would get every single appetizer.
That's right. I guess we've got our plans for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We know where we're going.
Exactly.
Basically is what we're trying
We'll
to
see you
say.
there.
We will. Coming up on CoastLife, though, if you are looking to declutter your house and get things just a little bit tidier, that's who we're going to be talking to on the way next, an expert that can help you out with that.
This segment of CoastLife was brought to you by Ocean City Tourism.